Hi, I'm back. I'm sorry. Um, Somehow I don't know, I screwed up the last video and I paused it and then I couldn't come back and just keep on the same video. So this is the reason why you're gonna see two videos. I'm sorry about that. So I came out with two codes. This is the first one that I came out, and you're gonna see this is the same. The definition is the same for both of the codes. This part is also the same for both of the codes. This is where it's gonna change. So in this code, I have the definition to open my poem as a text, which is right here. This is my poem. I saved as a text file, put on the same directory as my program that I'm working right here. So this will basically open and read my text file, and it will replace the I forgot the name. The carriage returns lines feed. So here I have get the poem, which will come back to this definition right here. Will open and read my text file. And then I have for a line in poem, this will take the white space off the right hand side. And then here, the second line, the strip will take the white space off the hand side. This is just a for loop. Then the split, this will read lines and go horizontally across lines and words. And then for W in words, this will give me the number of repetitions for each words. So here is where it's different in both of my codes. This is gonna combine into count numbers of repetitions one by one. So when I run, this will give me a dictionary. Will print me a dictionary with the keyword, which is green, and the value, which is 1. So this will print how many times a word, which is a key, and the value, which is the number of repetitions. I don't know why this is printed this way horizontally. I think there's something because of this split. I don't know how to go vertically. I've tried, but then I get errors. I don't know why. But if you look over here, this is giving me all the words and all the numbers of repetitions. So let's look. For example, I want to look for eggs. Oh, no, hold on. Gotta come down here. Eggs, right here, 12 times. The, right here, 40 times. Oh no, this is them. Hold on. The 11 times right here. Oh, sorry about that. Let's see the word goat. One time with a question mark, one time with a dot. One time with the 3 dots. Alright, so this shows you that works. But this code will give me a dictionary with a key and a value. And then down here, what I wanted to do is to show the most repetition. I guess I should have worded this differently. I don't know how to word this. You're gonna see on the other code that I worded differently because I'm not sure if you want a dictionary. So this is why I have two codes. So this one is a dictionary. When I came out with this one and I saw dictionary, I wasn't sure if this is what you want. So then I start working on another code, which I'm going to show you after this. So this will give me the word that is the most repeated. So I have the largest, which is -1, and the word none. For K, V, for the key and the value and the dictionary items, this will print me the key and the value. If value is biggest than the largest, will give me the largest is the value and the key, the word is the key, which is this is what happens here. So the most repetition is I 71 times. I guess I should have done like this. Let's run it again. Yeah, so give me space in between. So the most repetition is the word I 71 times. This will be the same on my other code. So now I want to show you, I'm going to send you both of the codes. Now I'm going to show you the other code. And I used the idle for this other code because I just kind of like copied what I had here on my PyCharm and then I just pasted here. And I kind of like worked on this, kind of like following your video because I wanted it to show in a different way, which you're gonna see. So here the definition is the same. We'll get my poem, my text poem, open as read. We'll read the lines. This is all the same. Right here is different. So this will get the poem, and I have an empty dictionary. For line and poem, this is the same. Okay, so this is the strip and the word split to split all the words one by one. For W and words, basically, if W in the dictionary, the value of the dictionary, the word +1, well, this will count the words for me, basically, right? So if the word is there, is the first time, will be 1. Now if this word already happened, is the number of time it happens +1, so it can count how many times the word has happened. So this will print the word, and then will give me the word, occurs, how many times it occurs, and times. So let me run this so you can see. See, that is giving me all the words and it's going vertically, which for me it looks better than horizontally like here. This is why I started working on this in a different way. So this will print the word and occurs 1 time. The word tries occurs 1 time. The word goat occurs 1 time. And then I'm just gonna go back here for a second. If you look over here, it's the same as the other code. I just copied and paste, which will give me the most repetition. So I worded as the word will give me the word ranked highest in the repetitions at number of times. So this is what happens here. The word I ranked highest in repetition at 71. I guess I should put 71 times. Alright, let's save. Run again. Well, basically this shows you that it's counting the words. I tried making it look better than this other code. The first code will give me the dictionary. This will give me, I think it's clear. I think it looks better this way than the other way. And I hope this is what you're looking for. All right, thank you.